1 second, guys, and we're going to start soon in a couple of seconds. I'm just gonna give everyone the content. And let's see, let's go. I'm just gonna wait for everyone to jump in. Let's see what we have. Can take that one away. Can take that one away. Delete. Hello. Oh my god, Erlik, you're always the first one. Hello, Erlik. Icha, hello, hello, hello. Young, hello. Aisha, hello, Aisha. Fico, hello. Nemo, Ready, Thomas. We have Omokuha, Aiden Barman. Judith, hello, Judith. How are you? Marcelo, hello. Erlik, I'm great. I am great. Marianne is here, of course. We have Harris here. We have Nicholas here. We have Marvik here. We have City here. Marianne 111. Welcome everyone to this live stream. If you haven't liked the video, do it right away. And don't forget, as always, you can receive the best bonus available right now on Bybit up to $4,450 by using the link in the description down below the video. You also have it pinned in the live chat right now. Okay, Bybit is super great where we want to hold our position for a longer time with the very low fees. Okay, we are heading up. We need to be a little bit quick right now. Okay, we're closing this 4-hourly candle in 24 minutes, but we did close. Oh, okay, so I'm a little bit unsure about this, guys, to be honest, when it comes to this. Okay, we're gonna dive into it right away because the market is moving pretty fast right now. DXY is going up. We have a little, we were consolidating. We did break the resistance, and we are right now giving a potential pullback. Let's see on the lower time frames. Now, hopefully this will be a valid Fibonacci for a potential continuation up after this sideways market. Now, remember that on when it comes to DXY, we did break above the high. Okay, we did break above the high, the resistance. We tried to break this one before, but we did have one fake out. We closed below, we saw the drop. This candlestick is pretty far away from the resistance, not gonna lie. So breakout, work at the retest B, potentially around 109.460, potential continuation up. But if we go to Bitcoin right now, so you see the same thing happening. We saw the market in a, so this morning we did speak about the sideways market that we're in, and we talked about the support trend line that we also right now are breaking. We did come up and retest one of the levels that I did have as a lower high. We saw that we tried to break it, we came below, and then we saw the drop. So we are breaking below the support trend line, and we could potentially now see a, okay, you see the break. Hello, Sishan, how are you? Thank you so much, Judith, sir. You're so sweet. Let's see. We have the oh my god, SG, I was just thinking about you. That is amazing. Okay, so we'll either have the Fibonacci based on the 4-hourly chart, and we can pull back up to potentially 19,874 or 19,917. But we will also drag a Fibonacci on the 15 minutes chart, and we drag it from 19,912 back down to the low at 19,685. And we are retesting this level right now when we're talking about it. Okay. Okay, so this 15 minutes candlestick is closing in 6 minutes. This 5-minute candle, we see the retest of it. How far away is it from the resistance? Okay, so it's not so far away. Now we just might see the market drop from here, but let's see. DXY, pullback, Bitcoin. Sign on. Well, I love you too. Hello, Julian. How are ya? The 20 minutes left of this candlestick. It's 30 minutes. 20 minutes left of this candlestick. I will have a sell limit order on Bitcoin at the moment, because I do believe that we can have some push a little bit more. But the market did, we saw the market break below. We have the retest. Might see the market retest 19,872. No financial advice, but I will go in for a let's see. So Bitcoin USDT when it comes to Bybit for me. But I will go to, I can't see what you guys are writing right now. So if anyone is writing anything, I can't see anything at the moment, just so you know. So when it comes to Bybit, I'll have a sell limit order at, I'll take it from the 50%. It's 19,877. And how far is the stop loss from the high? 20,000. 21,55. Take profit. I will take it at the how far is it? So I have my sell limit order at 19,877. So based on the Bybit chart. Now this is on against USDT. My stop loss will be at 20,070. But on Bybit it is 20,000. 155. Yeah, it's above the high. And my take profit will be, let's see, will I take 19,000? $19,200 and 19,210 based on the Fibonacci, the last one based on this. Okay, let's see what this is giving me. Open short position, confirm. Okay, let's go, baby. Let's see if this is gonna be something. Can we buy and bid up yet? How much leverage do you usually use, Natalie? 10. I use 10. Hello, Uptrade. Yosuke, hello, how are you? Marvici, hello, how are ya? Hello, Pablo. The way you read comments makes me laugh. Sishan, oh, that's great. Okay, so yeah. When it comes to Bitcoin right now, at the moment, I'll give it to you. Even I'm no financial advisor. Much love from South Florida. Oh, Atari, much love to you too. Isanwa, hello, how are you? Okay, I'm just gonna show you. I'm no financial advisor, so disclaimer. I hope I spelled that right, because someone's gonna be like, yeah, but you didn't spell it right, so I couldn't see what you wrote. Oh shit! Don't do that to me. I'm no financial advisor. I only share my what I'm gonna do. 19,877 is the entry. Sell entry. Sell limit order. Entry. and stop loss is at, where was it? Is at 20,000. Oops. Stop loss 20,155, and take profit is at 19,210. I am no financial advisor. Okay, so this is what I have at the moment, just so you know. How many voices do you have? I don't know. I don't know. Many. Yeah, so this is what we see right now. So we can expect I can't expect, but I like to do it on the 4-hourly chart if we have one pushback up for a retest and then continuation of the drop. I hope you're wrong. I'm longs in both BTC and Ethereum. Well, you know, that's why I'm telling you guys, I'm no financial advisor. You need to trust your own you need to trust your own analysis. That's why I'm telling you, I'm no financial advisor. So you can be 100% right if you are going for a long position, you know, but I'm going for a sell position because the market is very bearish at the moment. So yeah, we have one huge candlestick that did close below on the 3-hourly chart. We saw the market close below. Now, if the market would be super volatile and we see the market break above potentially 19,913, well, then I do believe that this could only have been a fake out. Okay, this could only have been then a fake out and then a continuation up, right? Because everything is probabilities, and that's why I'm always trading with risk management in case that is the case. Yeah, now, okay, so that's what I see at the moment when it comes to Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum right now. Okay, we saw the market, same thing, everything's going down. Let's do the overview only. Hello, honey. Okay, so when it comes to Ethereum looks so much better for myself, because we are inside the Fibonacci levels based on the 4-hourly chart, and we are breaking the support trend line. And are you gonna live in Sweden forever? Well, I don't know. I mean, it's pretty brutal to say yes to that. I have many years to live. I'm not sure. Hello, Herman. How are you? Okay, so I'm going to put a sell limit order when it comes to Ethereum too. We almost came up to this level, so I'm going to go to Ethereum too. Now, this is also on this is Ethereum USDT. So let's see what it's giving me. And we have we came back up, retested on Bybit already one time. So how far is it from? How do it look on the 15-minute chart? Such an ugly chart. Just such an ugly. Well, I do believe we can pull back up a little bit, but I think I want to have it on the 61.8% when it comes to Ethereum. Actually, it looks a little bit differently, so I'll write it soon. 1,554 entry. Take profit will be at 1,445. 1,445, and stop loss above the high 1,590. And quantity, let's see, darling. Yep, and we're gonna open a short one. Okay, so I'll give it to you because I'm no financial advice. I remember that. The disclaimer. Sell limit order at 1,554. Stop loss at 1,590, and my take profit is at 1,445. So that's what I see at the moment when it comes to Ethereum. Everyone in chat is going long in Ethereum. Bro, I have watched the morning stream later. Yes, I'm a little bit buzzing right now. Let's see what you're talking about. Hello, I'm fine, and you? I'm great. Depends on his. What do you mean? I'm a girl, SG. What are you talking about, he? Well, it depends on when me and Anthony Joshua get married. Then I'm moving to England, okay? Okay, so yeah, this is what I see right now when it comes to Ethereum. Why I take this trade on the 3-hourly chart. We saw the market close close below the support trend line. Now we were inside the Fibonacci levels that we had between 1,566 and 1,598. Okay, John, hi Natalie, you always give great content and thoughts on the market. Much love from the UK. Thank you. Well, you're welcome, John. You're super welcome. I'm just very happy I can share this with you guys. Oh yeah, so this is why I'm taking the trade. I mean, you gotta know. So came inside Fibonacci levels. This is where we expect the market to reverse. The support trend line is really important because this one is also giving us the you see when the market gives us higher highs and higher lows. We also saw the market break below the level where we would get, if we're following market structure, have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Potentially we try to break it, but then we close below. So this Fibonacci is not valid, which means that when we also see the market break below the support trend line, well, that's a sign. So even if the market is going to my stop loss, I mean, because it can definitely happen, but this is the rules that I have. If the market breaks below, I take Fibonacci, calculate where it potentially can be, so I can see the market giving me the next lower high at 1,554 to then see the market potentially continue to drop. I have my take profit at 1,440. Did I say 47? 45, based on the Fibonacci also that is calculated where the lower high can be. So that is why I'm having a sell limit order at this time. Hello Torben, how are ya? So yeah, this is what I see at the moment. So I have a sell limit order right now. Pretty good risk to reward if we drop back down to the did I have it at 1,590? Yeah, so I have it a little further up above the high, but still good risk to reward, right? So yeah, this is what I potentially expect the market to do. So let's see if this is gonna happen. Okay, Goyal, hello, how are ya? Oh my god, I am late. Are you late? Okay, let's see what else we're gonna look at. What do you want me to look at, guys? How are ya? I'm great. How are you? Okay, BNB. BNB was the first thing that I saw, so let's go to BNB for USDT. Okay. Oh, we had Solana. Okay, well, let's take Solana after BNB. Vodka, orange juice. No, I told you I'm not drinking anymore. God damn. No, I'm just joking. No. It's actually, I'm on the juice fast. I bought this like package with things inside of it that I was supposed to drink. And one of the things that I was drinking tasted so bad, I actually puked yesterday. So I was like, you know what, I'm actually gonna buy some things that actually taste good. So this is just organic juice, pure orange. And then I also bought coconut oil, but not coconut water, because it's also really good. Okay, so continue looking at B&B. This is one of the reasons why you definitely should follow me on my YouTube channel, because look at this, guys. We came up exactly to the Fibonacci levels 2 days ago. Yesterday, we also saw the market retest this level perfectly, and we're about to hit target 1 soon. So this is definitely this. You know, I don't only give up very good, you know, sell and buy orders, even though I'm no financial advisor, but I also share how I'm doing it. So if you are new to the channel, super welcome. My name is Natalie. I've been doing trading. I'm a trader, okay, since 2018, or I got introduced to it. Then I've done everything that you are doing and still do, you know, practicing and getting better and better each day. Crypto trading for beginners, one of the best videos you'll ever find in your whole life, I promise you. It's market structure part 1, part 2, and then backtest with me. This is where I just backtest with you guys. I practice. This is more like you and me in a classroom. Take your glasses, take your pen and paper, and then we just go and dive into the charts, okay? So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time, etc, etc. Did an ex-boyfriend get you into crypto? Oh yeah, actually, it was actually true. It was actually a guy that when I was 16, we were a little love couple, but then we were friends and he introduced me to it. So, I mean, something good from that relationship happened, right? So I need to thank him. You're very good at trading, should become a financial advisor. One day maybe, baby. So yeah, when it comes to B&B, we can, if we have another pullback based on the drop that we have, if you're continuing using, are you 40 now? Do I look 40? I'm not. I'm so far away from 40, you have no idea. We can pull back up to 275.3 or 276 for a potential retest and then a continuation. Based on this Fibonacci, I'm no financial advisor, but take profit 1, 270. Take profit 2 is exactly combined with take profit 1 of the Fibonacci that we saw. And that is at 266. Take profit 3 is at 264. No problem, Pat. Hello, Tanky. How are you? Well, we have so many new people saying hi to me. I've never seen your faces before. I'm so happy we have so many new people on here, and I love everyone that's been here for a long time too. Hello, teacher. How are you? Nice to see you on Solana in the morning stream. Oh yeah, we're supposed to go to Solana now, Jew. Yes, baby. Wow. What did happen here? We saw the market came up exactly to this level and retested it. Oh my God. This is so amazing. I didn't check it, but it looks really good. Sorry, I just want to have you Bitcoin on the side and Ethereum on the side if we have the market. Ooh. Yeah, patient is key. I'm telling that to myself. Patient is key, Natalie. Don't freak out. Okay, so Solana, this is also one of the reasons why you should be on my morning live streams. Now, do you understand? Hello, Ralph. Hello. I just subscribed. Love the energy. Welcome, Ralph. We have Ralph in here. He's new to the channel. Super welcome. We have Voich something. Okay, so this morning we always have morning live streams at 1 hour before London session opens. because we want to see where the market, or we want to have an overview of what the market is doing. So we already had the setup since this morning, guys. We already had the setup since this morning. What happened? I gave 2 scenarios. The bearish scenarios did work, right? Hey, Natalie, finished work. Now, what did I miss? AB, you did miss everything. No, I'm just joking. But yeah, you kind of missed something. But go back in the live stream. We have some settlement orders, or I have, because I'm no financial advisor. Okay. Market pulled back down. We did bounce up the support again, but what happened? We came back up, retested the Fibonacci levels at 31.59. So I spoke about this level, okay, guys? Market retested it perfectly, and then market now is going down. Okay? Okay, thank you so much, Japan. We are gonna go to Matic right away after this, okay? I love the effort. My surname is FPV, stands for FPV drones. Oh my god, I don't even know what FPV drones is. Like, that's a guy thing. You guys and your drones and all of your funny things that you have. Okay, so what can potentially happen now when we're looking at Solana? Well, we're dragging out the Fibonacci from 31.47 back down to... Can you see? We already had this support. Why is this always happening to us? This is amazing. Can you see how perfectly the 50 and 61% is exactly combined with this with the support? Okay, so we can pull back up to 31 or $31.12 for a potential retest if we're not dropping from now, but you know, always need to wait for the market to retest that lower high potentially. If that's the case, I'm not a financial advisor, but take profit 1 is 30.35, take profit 2 is 29.88, and take profit 3 is 29.48. That's what I see. And we're gonna look at Matic right now. Matic USDT. Thank you so much, Japan. No, that was Matic. And then we're gonna go to CHZ, okay? Okay, let's do everything again on Mat. Okay, we can take these ones away because I see what we're looking at. Okay. Yes. Exactly. You look 60. Oh my god, do we have Joski? Do you want me to be mad at you? What are we talking about? I want to be your sugar son. I don't want a sugar son. Okay, let's see. We're looking at the... Let's look at to see how the 2 hourly chart looks like. Okay, so we dragged the Fibonacci from 0 to 9,647 instead. Mark, what's the name of your Discord community? You know, we did create a Discord community, but I'm not using that at the moment. I only have a Telegram group. So guys, if you want to be part of my Telegram groups, SG have already given you, join our Telegram group. You will never be a lonely trader anymore. So you have the links to my Telegram group instead. Okay, when it comes to Matic, we are right now retesting the 50% at 0.8626. If we have a push, we can also pull back up and retest 0.8850 for a potential retest, and then see the market then potentially continue back down, because the market came back up. If we're going to look at the overall perspective, this is what happened. Okay, so as a trader, what I do, I only follow market structure. I only use price action and market structure. Okay, so I want to show you why. Okay, market is in a uptrend because the market is giving us higher highs and high lows. Then we saw the market came inside the Fibonacci levels. I always talk about how the market is consolidating inside the Fibonacci before we see the break. What happens? We saw the market consolidate. Then what happened? Market pulled back down. We broke structure because the last higher low was at 0.8835. Market created a lower low, which means the uptrend is now broken. And by looking at the Fibonacci levels where we did expect the market to drop from. Now we're using the previous one of the highs that we did have. I also used this one at is 1.252, but I want to use it at 0.9606, and we are both the 60% of the 61.8% of this Fibonacci and the 50% is combined with the 50% that we have on the higher time frames, which means this is a very strong level for the market to retest. So we can definitely see us pull back up to 8,850 potential drop if we don't see that the market is giving us the rejection right now. One thing we can do is also doing this now. Then we just do the same thing. If the market then break below, because you can still see how the market is in the uptrend. The market is still giving us higher highs and higher lows. And to be a little bit more sure that the market is actually reversing back down, we obviously want to see the market break below the previous low, because that's break of structure. The same way that we saw on the higher time frames. Remember what I said, market broke structure when we broke the previous higher low, okay? And when we're looking at this level, you can see how the market is giving us higher highs and higher lows, which means that we are still in the uptrend. So to just go in and sell the market right now, I mean, you can definitely be in profit, but you're more gambling with it because the confirmation, we don't have a confirmation yet. More than that, we're just retesting the 50%, but we can still see the market push back up to the 61.8% at 0.8850. But if we would see the market have the momentum, we can break below 0.8244 for that break and retest the exact same way that we are retesting this Fibonacci level based on this previous lower high with this lower low, okay? But now we just want the confirmation that it will be valid. And then if that's the case, we will also be able to use the next Fibonacci from this high to that low, which will give us the next lower high. And that's the confirmation for me to put a sell limit order and then wait for the market to potentially drop. Capish? Makes sense? But we are still in the uptrend. So market can still pull back down and then continue back up, because what I want the market to do is break below, give me a retest for the lower high, and then the drop. Very, very, very important now. Because if we pull back down and then we're closed below and you sell the market or I sell the market, then we just might have the last push up to the 61% and then the market gives us the lower high and drop. Because if that's the case, then we'll have the market giving us another higher low, give us the next higher high, and then we'll see break of structure and then market pulls back down. So that's what I'm waiting for right now when it comes to Matic. So I hope that Japan made sense to you. I hope so, and for everyone else too. Okay. Oh, well, good, Erlake. I'm sitting here with my favorite sweater because it's super cold and I have a thick sweater underneath this super thick sweater. So if you love cold, if you love winter, Sweden is perfect place for you to come to. I miss so much to be outside in the sun. Okay, what else are we gonna look at? This one tastes so good. We don't have winter here. So sad. Oh yeah, so sad. But it's not winter yet, is it? No, Matt, but it feels like it. When I come to Sweden, I will definitely meet you, ma'am. Well, of course you will. Of course. Okay, let's look at a CH SATA right now. Natalie, you should move to Tenerife. They have the perfect weather over there. Oh, sounds amazing. Maybe I should. Okay, so one thing very important. We saw the market try to break the support trend line. Then the next candlestick closed above again. Very, very important. That was the daily. Yeah, but you could see here. It's too small of a breakout. Too small. Market pulls back up again. And now we're trying to break this level again. Okay, so let's look at the overall. Winter sucks, dude. Yeah, it totally does. I can feel that. Okay. Okay, I just wanna... Okay, so this Fibonacci retest. On the lower time frames, we have the retest of the support trend line. How does it look on Bitcoin? Okay, we're heading up to our targets, hopefully, on BTC and on Ethereum. Okay, so we'll drag another Fibonacci from 0.2110 back down to the low at 0.2024. We are retesting the support trend line that we did break, okay? We don't care about this because we're using the trend line on the higher time frame. So that's the wicks. And this is also the fake out that we did have, so we can still use it because oh yeah, whatever. But we can potentially, if we have another push, we can reach 0.2067, potentially 0.2077 for a potential retest. Now that's the lower high, okay? If that's the case, take profit 1. I'm no financial advisor, but it's 0.2005. Take profit 3 is 0.19060, and take profit 3 is 0.19020. Okay, I'm no financial advisor, just so you know. And I would have my stop loss above the high, so the market have some space to move. Okay, if we see the market retest these levels and then see the market drop. So that's what I see at the moment when it comes to CH Zata. I hope that made sense. Let's look at EOS. Guys, if you haven't already liked the live stream, please do that. We have over 100 people on here. Let's hit 146 likes. We have so many people on here. Would be super sweet, guys. If that... Ooh, amazing. Oh my god, look at this, guys. This is why you have to follow me and you have to go in and practice this yourself. You know, I do this 24/7, but I'm always amazed on how this is working. I'm always so humble. I'm always so humble about this. You have no idea how humble I am. But look at this. The last time we looked at EOS, I told you we'll either see the market break above retest, continuation. That did not happen. This is why I always nowadays give you two scenarios most of the time, because two things will happen. Either we'll go up or either we'll go down. But what happened? Market came, retested this level perfectly. Second time, perfectly. Why? Because these are so important levels that I give you guys. These levels are crazy, okay? They are mad. Well, I'm surprised with myself sometimes, you know. Who gave me this? It's practice, guys. We practice. And we don't try to have any emotions inside to it, because that will screw everything up. But look at it. It's so perfectly. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's look at the 8-hourly chart. I still believe that we can have a push back up based on this candlestick that we have on the 8-hourly chart. We can definitely have another push back up to these levels. 12-hourly. Amazing. I mean, this is amazing. On the 12-hourly chart, just to see what happened, we dragged Fibonacci from 1.540 back down to the low. And what happened? Market came back up, retested these Fibonacci levels so perfectly. If anyone comes and tell me that Fibonacci doesn't work, well then you're sleeping, because this does work. This works 100%. Okay? But the next move, what can potentially happen? We can take it away. There's too many things on the charts right now. I'm a little bit confused, to be honest. It's always good to look at the higher perspective, first of all. Okay, so this is also one thing. This is amazing. I'm not sure when this was, but we came up and retested my Fibonacci level, first of all, at 1.903 look at it. It's perfect retest. And now look at this, guys. So this Fibonacci is valid because we also have the market retesting the previous resistance. Okay, hello FedEx. Hello from Chile. Oh, hola. Okay, so this level, potential fake out now, okay? And what do we have? We have Fibonacci and the resistance combined together at 1.488 and 1.560. This is the daily now. We saw the market pull back up to that level for a retest. And on the lower time frames right now, well, it's pretty hard at the moment, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, because we tried to break the support trend line. It didn't happen. So yeah, we can definitely see the market pull back up now and retest this level at 1.430 or potentially 1.446 for a potential reverse back down. Why did I say it like that? Yeah, so that's definitely, and if we combine the Fibonacci now with the previous high, with the low, we can see that the 61.8% is also exactly combined with the other 61.8%. Worst market since the Second World War. You have and go short. If we would see the market break above 1 point, because now I had two scenarios, of course. If we would see us break above 1.447, that can take us back up again to 1.486 for a potential retest, okay? But these are the two. I am looking at between 1.430 and 1.445 for a potential retest. If that's the case, I'm no financial advisor. But take profit 1 is 1.387, take profit 2 is 1.350, and take profit 3 is 1.320. Okay. Thank you so much, Verici. Hello, FinTech. How are you? Long is very risky. It is what it is. The market is going straight down, so it's pretty risky. Yes, you're Matic. Oh, Sharma, we have already gone through Matic actually. So just go back a little bit in the live stream and you'll see. Lunacy. Okay. Oh, Loon. It is Loons. Yeah, we're going. Didn't we look at this one today? I gave you some targets today, I think. Why don't I have it on this one? Didn't we take a Fibonacci today? I think I gave you some Fibonacci. Did I take it from this low or this low? Well, either way, the market pulled back down because Lunacy is going up. We have some big momentum going up here. And we saw the market gave us, if we only use the Fibonacci again now, but I think, okay, either way, I think I took this one, but this one is the right one. Well, either way, we came back down, retested the Fibonacci levels perfectly again at 249,858 and 257763, and now the market is going up. This is one thing we can do too, baby girls and baby boys. So because the market has already retested these Fibonacci levels now, so the market has already done its thing. But if we break above now, 269211, if we break above, you can potentially see a retest of that level, and also 265668 for a potential higher low, and then a continuation. Take profit 1309280. That's the case. No financial advisor. Okay. And if we're continuing up, I mean, either take profit 1 or take profit 2 at 346184. Okay. Yeah, I mean, go long right now, or if the potential market give me the higher low, excuse me, wrong. We are not, we haven't, but that is a double top. What do you mean double top? This? Well, this is going up. This is not following Bitcoin. This one is doing something else. Double top, you're looking at a pullback, darling. You know, just because you see two double tops that does not mean that the market will go down, because you have to follow market structure. Market is going up. Market pulls back down to Fibonacci levels for a pullback, then the next impulsive move can continue. Now you have to understand, my sweetie darlings, that when you go in and Google things, and when they teach you some things that's, you know, mainstream, you have to understand that all of the things that they teach you is not the right things, okay? Because what they usually do is that they teach you to buy the market. If this is a resistance now, what do they tell you? Well, you should break a strategy. You buy the market when we break the resistance. But what do you usually see when the market breaks the resistance? You see the market break below and then continue down, okay? So you have to be very careful when you look at mainstream things when it comes to trading, because trust me, if they teach you this on Google or, you know, something else, then most likely they are trying to fool you. Okay, because they would not give out things for free, you know. They would never do that. We always have to be very careful when it comes to what Google, Wikipedia tells you to have a breakout strategy. No, they want your money. They want your money. That's why you have to back test it yourself so you see what you're looking at. Breakout, it does definitely work. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but you have to you have to understand what you're doing when you're looking at the charts. Okay, when it comes to CRV, we already have the setup. Did we? On the daily chart. No, this has already happened too. This has already happened. But you're giving for free. Yeah, but I'm not Google. I'm Natalie. I'm Natalie, you know? Head and shoulder on DXY on 5-minute charts. You can't look at a 5-minute. I mean, you can if you want to, but looking at a pattern on the 5-minute chart. I mean, if you look at the higher time frames, of course. Not movie with the title Midsummer was set up in Sweden. Was that hyped up there? I don't look at Swedish movies. I don't look at movies at all. But when I did look at movies, the last thing I did look at was Swedish movies. So boring. Well, the comedian thing's pretty fun, actually. I'm not gonna joke. I'm not gonna lie about that. Okay, look at CRV. So a couple of days before we came back up, retested $1,215 perfectly. Same thing here. Now the market does the same thing. Market gives you high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Comes to Fibonacci levels, consolidates, market break structure. We calculate the previous lower high with the lower low, give us the lower high level market drop. Okay. Then we go down to the lower time frames now. The market is going sideways again. But from this candlestick right here, this is a supply zone. Based on this green candlestick, after that green candlestick, you saw this huge drop. We had to retest up this level again. Market pulls back up to supply zone, retested, and then you had the next drop. Okay, she made a Swedish comedian movie. No, I didn't. No, come on, don't do that. I did not do that. What happened? We broke the support trend line after retesting the supply level, drag Fibonacci from high to low. This can still happen. It can still happen that we see the market pull back up to potentially 1.130 or 1.140 for a potential retest, and then see the market continue to drop. But on the 1-hourly chart, we can also drag Fibonacci from 1.116 back down to the low at 1.65, which gives me Fibonacci levels 1.90 and 1.96. This could also be where the market pullback, retest, and continuation down. Everything depends on how the market looks around these levels, okay? Either you'll see the market, as I said, come back up, retest it, and continuation. But if we see bigger momentum and we're breaking above 1.96, that could take us back up to 1.30 or 1.40, okay? Have that in mind for the market then potentially drop. If the first Fibonacci is valid, take profit 1 is 1.53, take profit 2 is 1.26, and take profit 3 is 1.003. If the other Fibonacci on the higher perspective at 1.130 is valid instead, take profit 1 is 1.68, take profit 2 is 1.25, and take profit 3 1.987. I'm no financial advisor, okay? Have that in mind. So that's what I potentially see at the moment. So either we see the market retest the first Fibonacci, the first Fibonacci levels, and it's gonna be like this above the high, or we'll see the other one, and then I would have it the stop loss around 1.170 and take profit down here. Okay, So everything depends on what level the market will retest, because you'll see how the market is behaving around the Fibonacci levels. Comprende? If you like this live stream, please write 111 in the chat. Peter Paul, you're welcome. Welcome to the live stream, everyone. If you are new to the channel, my name is Natalie. I'm from Sweden, and I've been doing this since 2018, every single day since 2018. This is my passion. I love it. I am not always 100% right, of course not, but I love it so much, and I've gained so much knowledge during these years. I've been back testing myself so much, and this is why I also share this with you guys. So if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button definitely, so you know when I am live. We will have another live stream tomorrow. And because we always have morning live streams, 1 hour before London session, and we always have these streams too at the end of New York session. So on the London session, we have setups. We're looking at the setups, and oh my god, this is crazy. Look at but I'm not sure if I did call this, because maybe I just did. Well, I know I remember I've always used this high because it looks the same on everyone, okay? But we always have morning live streams. We always have afternoon live streams. So on the morning live stream, we have the setup. If we don't have a setup during the morning live stream, we have targets where the market can do whatever it's, you know. I just gave you what I think could potentially happen, okay? Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time. Then you go down if you want to learn more about trading, because everyone doesn't want to do that, okay? But this is only for the ones that want to. Crypto Trading for Beginners, super good series that I have when it comes to basic of trading on how I use it. And then I just combine everything that I do with back test with me. You see here Master Fibonacci, you have back testing with supply and demand zones, you have on these other ones, you see them, I just combine everything together. In some of them, I just go more in depth on trend lines, etc. So these ones is really good. I would definitely use these ones, guys. And don't forget that you can also receive the best bonus available right now on Bybit, up to $4,450 by using the link in the description down below the video. And you also have it pinned in the live chat, okay? This is how you're supporting me, but Bybit is really good when we hold up positions for a longer time, because we all want the low fees when we're taking our trades, okay? Everyone. It's leverage trading, so please be careful. Always be careful when you trade. Always come back to risk management. So, but have that in mind, okay? Looking at Dogecoin now. We are retesting this low at the moment. And let's go to and see how it looks. We can still see the market giving us lower lows and lower highs, which we have to follow. So we drag Fibonacci. Just subscribe. Well, Baraguns, that is great. Welcome to my channel. I already love you. Joke. Well, just kind of. Okay, so we drag the Fibonacci now from, do I have to say the numbers for you guys? 6334966 to 6022730. We have already retested the 50%, but we can still pull back up to this level. Let's see how it looks on the 1 hourly. Yeah, okay, so if we pull back up to 6176846 or 6218878, that could be a retest. Could be. Everything depends on how the market is behaving around the level. But if that's the case, now take profit 1, I'm no financial advisor, is 0.059499138. Take profit 2 is 0.057888488. Take profit 3 is 0.0564955. I'm no financial advisor, but this is what I potentially can see. If the market have bigger momentum and we're breaking above it, now that can take us back up to higher targets, of course. And we do have a previous resistance that we can definitely, first of all, see the market pull back up to. So always have this in mind, okay? Always look at how the market is behaving around the Fibonacci levels, even if I'm no financial advisor, but just, you know what, I just wanna share that with you guys. Okay, something like this. I mean, take profits can be whatever, but I'm using these ones based on the same Fibonacci that I take my trades from, because they usually very accurate. But what happens is that when take profit 1 get hit, we usually see the market pull back. So it takes some time before the market take all 3 of them when it comes to a 4-hourly Fibonacci, okay? Great analysis, Natalie, special use of the fibs. Thank you so much, Alan. If there's time, can you please check ADA? I'm planning to... Okay, yes, of course. We're going to look at it. So we're going to continue with AAVE, and then we're going to take some other before, and then we're going to come to ADA. Okay, continue with this one. Okay, let's see. I think we looked at this not so long ago, but I need to take it away because I don't remember exactly what I did. Oh yeah, okay, so we have Fibonacci, right? Okay, so this has already happened when we're looking at AAVE perfectly. So we did look at this one. Oh, it's so amazing. On the daily chart, we dragged the Fibonacci from 93.2 back down to 78.7. We came back up, retested 86 and $87.7 perfectly. And we can take this one away. And right now, okay, you could also see this happening. It's freaking amazing. I'm always so fascinated. Can you see this, guys? So this was actually where the market gave us the retest already. So the move has already happened if we don't see the market continue up, you know. But market gave us the retest of the Fibonacci. We broke below. We saw the retest again of the other Fibonacci after the break of structure, okay? We came up exactly this morning and retested the 50% at 85.3. Then drop. Take profit 1 already got hit at $82. Let's see how it looks. Can we have another Fibonacci? Yeah, so if we see the market give us rejections around, if we have a pullback up to 83.9 or 84.3, that could be the next drop that we see when it comes to AAVE. Either I could take profit 1 at 82 again, take profit 2 at 80.7, take profit 3 at 79.7. Or if I will use the higher time frames Fibonacci, take profit 1 is exactly combined $82. If we see the market drop to take profit 2 is $79.7 and take profit 3 $77.7. I'm no financial advisor, and I would have my stop loss above the high. So I mean I can take whatever. Hi Nat, PTC crazy. Is Bitcoin crazy? Let's go and see how Bitcoin is doing. Let's see how Bitcoin is doing right now. No, we did not pull back up to my levels. God damn it. We're not so far away when it comes to Ethereum though. Okay, we are oh no, we are dropping, drop. Oh no, I don't think it's gonna come to that level. No, I think we're dropped from here. Yeah, okay, so the market did retest my first Fibonacci at 19.794. That's boring. Well, the market is going down. either way. Let's see how the other levels does look like. We did look at CRV. Luna. Okay, we're breaking below. EOS. Oh yeah, okay, so this happened on CHV. We saw the retest of the support trend line instead. Matic. Okay, haven't done anything special. BNB. No. FTM. Dot. Everything going down now, guys. Everything is going down now. Hello, Jason. How are you? Let's look and see on Bitcoin if we can find something else. We're just dropping. Let's look at this chart instead now, because we can see the market have the momentum. I don't think I need this right now. Well, we never know how crazy the market's gonna be, so we can still have, we're just gonna wait for the market. We can drop, we can definitely continue to drop and then see the market give us some other levels, of course, because the market is going down right now. But I can still have a order here crossing, if we see the market crossing up. But we have some big momentum at the moment happening, so we are dropping down. Take profit? No, what do you mean take profit? I'm just gonna be patient, to be honest. I'm still gonna have my sell limit orders on in case we see some movements to the upside again. But I will hold up parallel might go for short. Okay, what else are we gonna look at? AVAX USDT. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm not sure when this happened, but this level was definitely very, very respected. 19.58, but that was far away. It was a long time ago. Yeah, we tried to break above this previous support, failed to do that. What happened? We created it as a new resistance drop. This one is not valid. Look at the higher perspective. Remember when I spoke about that previous higher low becomes the new lower high? Can you see how perfectly this higher low became the new lower high? We spoke about this on yesterday's live stream. Very important. If you want to know more about how to combine the previous higher, the higher low with the lower high, go into my YouTube channel. And then you go into uptrend and downtrend combination, because the market is always combined and it always works together in multiple different ways. But uptrend and downtrend combinations is definitely one of the most important things that we can use. Also very good. So definitely go into that one. Okay, let's see now where we could potentially see the market drop from. Let's see. You know, market is just dropping right now. We have the support, or the previous lower low. Let's look at the 4-hourly. We have the lower low right here. I can take it from the bodies. So the previous lower low was at $18. So we just might see the market pull back down to it, give us a potential retest, and then see a potential continuation down, okay? But right now I don't have anything at the moment because the market, as I said, we're just dropping. Or went down. Wait. Maybe, baby, if we drag Fibonacci from $19 back down to low, 18, we just might see the market pull back up and retest 18.71 or 18.78, and then take profit 1, 18.29, take profit 2, $18, take profit 3, $17.73. I'm no financial advisor, okay? And I will have my stop loss above $19. Looks really good, you know. But we have already gone through Ethereum. We need to continue with the other coins, darlings, so everyone can get some coins, you know. Just go back in the live stream because it was not so long ago we did it. Oh, Euro USD, you put it in for yourself, SG, you little cutie. Hello, Al. How are ya? Okay, overall, when it comes to Gala, take profit 1 on the first Fibonacci that we have is at 0.04815. So we can see the market pull back up and retest 0.04981 or 0.04994 for a potential retest, and then the continuation down again. Okay, so take profit 1 based on this little Fibonacci that I have is 0.04889. Take profit 2 is at 0.04808, and take profit 3 is 0.4760. So that's what I potentially see at the moment. I would have my stop loss above the high and something like this. Okay, we're almost getting to that level. If you don't see the drop right now, because you can see this volatile candlestick that we, okay, so we have a new 4-hourly candlestick that just opened. Well, I would still want the market to retest the Fibonacci levels. Okay, what else do we have? We have, this was Gala. Okay, so look at near. Look at near. Guys, if you haven't already liked the live stream, please go inside and do that. So it would be super sweet of you guys, because this is also how you are helping me to reach out to more people so we can teach them how to look at the chart in a much simpler way than most of people are actually doing, okay? And because this is such a lovely YouTube channel, okay? And me and everyone else on here are beautiful, and I love everyone, kind of. So subscribe to the channel also if you're new to it. Hit the notifications so you know when I am live next time. If you want to be part of my community, you are more than welcome. You will soon have the link to my Telegram group. This is the only group that I have. Ivas, we will go through Ergo. SG will give that to you, so you don't have to write that anymore. Because SG, my wonderful moderator, is just putting everything together one by one, so I take everything in order. So if you write it one time, you don't have to write it more, okay? But subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time, because tomorrow we will have another live stream in the morning, 1 hour before London session, so have that in mind. And don't forget that you can also receive the best bonus available right now on Bybit up to $4,450 by using the link in the description down below the video. You also have it pinned in the live chat. This is how you are supporting me, so I'm always available for you. But Bybit is really good. It's a platform, obviously, where we can trade the market on. And the good thing with Bybit is that when we hold our positions for a longer time, Bybit is giving us very low fees. Okay, very important. It's leverage trading, so always be careful. Nat, what is your suggestion for drawing Fibonacci on what time frame? Or do we have to draw it on every time frame? No, you don't. I'm just connecting everything on the higher time frames than with the lower time frames. And maybe some people don't understand why I take the Fibonacci from this high to this low. I'm not sure how to explain it, why I do it. It's only because I've done it 4 billion times. Oh my god, Ivyas. Didn't you understand what I just said? Practice it. I use it when I started to use Fibonacci, I used it on everything, like I was just like trying to calculate where it was supposed to be. So it's hard to say because play around with it. But obviously the higher time frames is always more respected, right? Always more respected. You can see this 4 hourly from this high at 5.166 back down to the low is 3.756. Market pull back up, retested the Fibonacci perfectly at 4.465. And then market is going down, and it also give us the high. If we go down to the 1 hourly chart, you can see market structure more clear. Okay, market structure more clear, and you can see how the market also broke and retested this support trend line really good. Okay, but use the Fibonacci again from the 1 hourly chart from 4.436 back down to the low at 4.223, and you can see how the market came back up and retested that Fibonacci 50% perfectly, so this is like, try to use it and just play around with it and try and understand why you draw the Fibonacci the way you do. Okay, I didn't know this in the beginning. I just practiced it, and then I was like, oh my god, I never saw this before. And then it just made sense. Of course it's gonna be like this. Take profit 1, we have already retested this Fibonacci on the lower time frame. Everyone is saying that BTC is going to 13k. Yeah, I do believe that we can come back down to 10k. Hello Bernie, how are you? So from here we can drop back down to 4.178. I don't have anything at the moment because the market is really ugly, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. Because the market kind of have giving us the drop right now. Good, I'm bullish. Well, that's great. No, I don't have anything when it comes to near, to be honest, right now. But I definitely can see us pull back down to 4.180. So you mean we have to draw on every time frame? I know I'm not saying that. I just told you what you're supposed to do. Did I say you have to draw it on every time frame? I didn't. Okay, now we're gonna look at A to A. Now we're gonna look at A to A. Okay. See what happened. Let's see. Well, you know what? Let's just start over again. Look at the higher time frames perspective. We take this one away. You're using Fib a lot, not using any of EMAs. No, because I don't use it. It's not my thing, you know. I don't use it. I don't. Oof. I don't use any indicators at all. I just feel that I don't need it. Everyone does everything differently, you know? Everyone. You can trade the market in so many different ways. In so many different ways. I mean, just because I do this is not the only way to do it. Like I have so many friends that that trades, and all of us are doing it in different ways. Every one of us. I have one friend, he's really good. He's an educator on a really good company. And he does, I mean, well, we do the similar way, because he was looking at my live stream and he told me that we are doing it in the same way. Oh my god, we have 870 members on TG. That is great, guys. Oh. If you want to be part of my Natalie Bitcoinsensus community, you are more than welcome. Guys, we're almost at 900 subscribers. I remember when we started that, like, not so long ago. We were not so many people. That is great. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Thank you, everyone. So you can trade the market in multiple different ways. So just because I show you this, if it doesn't connect with you, it doesn't. It's totally fine. So Nat, how do you exactly know if there's a pullback down or up going? I'm using market structure. Raw. Okay, so when it comes to ADA, we came back up, retested. So this is a very strong level between 0.4557 and 0.4620. So you can see how the market created this as a resistance, okay? But the market is really ugly when it comes to ADA. The market structure is very choppy at the moment, I would say. So I don't like it, but we can definitely see the market continue to drop from here. Okay, let's see. Did we have structure broken from here? So if we see that the pullback, a small pullback now, we can reach 0.4496 and 4,512 for a potential retest. If that's the case, I'm no financial advisor, but take profit 1 is 0.4395. Take profit 2 is 0.4320. And take profit 3 is 0.4260. No financial advisor. But that's what I could potentially see us do right now. Stop loss above the high. We had a fake out. Really important. And we are retesting the previous resistance again that we had the fake out from. So that's what I see right now when it comes to A to A. Okay, what else? Don't you rely on just market structure. Raul, I use so many things. I use market structure, I use everything that's with price action. I use, and my eyes and my intuition, they are strong when it comes to it. Ball USDT. I mean, they're retesting the levels for a reason. And that's why I love this channel. Thank you so much, Jason. You're amazing. I don't like the charts when it looks like this, because we have so many crazy It's so crazy how the market is behaving. But yeah, if we have a push right now, we can definitely reach 10.70 or potentially 12.05. And if that's the case, you can see rejection or just one crazy wick again. And the next target to come back down to is 1.44. I will only give you 1.44 because then we're going to minus. We're dropping. I will find a new one and name it Natalie pattern. Yeah. What happens if there's a Fed meeting going? What impact cryptos? So many things. What happens if the Fed meeting's going? Well, the Fed meetings, we already know what happens. It always goes against the trend. That's what we definitely know. And it always retests the higher time frames, Fibonacci levels that we already know. Because everyone in here that been following me when we had the Fed meetings, we already know what the market is doing. Because we've seen it now together for many, many months, weeks. And Euro USD is going down, baby. Where? Let's look at the higher time frames, 3 monthly chart. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we're dropping on Euro USD. Okay, I just need to think. Well, Euro USD is definitely dropping. Yeah, okay, this looks beautiful. So yesterday was when the market gave us the move, to be honest. So we saw the market pull back up, retested 1.597. Yeah, and take profit one is about to get hit at 0.98,890. On the lower time frames, do we have anything? Yeah, and we came back up not so long ago and retested it 50% again at 0.99,561. Nat, so Fed meetings pull back down. If it goes against the trend, you have to look what trend you're looking at, and then it goes against the trend. So yeah, we have already retested the level. So next target for us to drop back down to is 0.99,198. So I don't have anything at the moment when it comes to Euro USD. Sorry, SG. Okay, let's continue. What do we have? We have ETC right now. We have ETC, USDT. Yeah, okay, market came up and retested these Fibonacci levels. Very, very, very good too. I don't exactly remember when we saw the market do this though. But we saw the market pull back up, retested 38.07. Take profit 1 is soon about to get hit at 30.08. Now this is again one of the reasons why you should follow me on my YouTube channel. So subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications so you know when I am live next time. And even if you don't want to take the trades, because obviously I'm no financial advisor, but following what the market is doing, you know, the market came up exactly, retested the targets that we did have. And at the moment the market is really ugly, to be honest. It's just going, I mean, I don't like the market structure when it comes to it. So yeah, what we can see when we're also using this Fibonacci that we have between 32.06 and 32.25, you can also see that this is a support. Okay, this is a support. We tried to break it one time, we closed above, then market gave us the next lower high, pull back down, created a low, and now market pulls back up. So we'll either see the market come back up to these levels right now between 32.05 and 32.27 for a potential other retest and a continuation of the drop. Take profit 1, I'm no financial advisor, 30.80. Take profit 2, 29.94, and take profit 3, 29.18. So that's a potential scenario that can happen. I'm no financial advisor, but yeah. And you see how take profit 1 is also, or take profit 2 is combined with take profit 1 that we have on the higher time frames Fibonacci. Okay, and I do expect us to drop back down to 30.6. So that is definitely a accurate level for us to see the market drop down to. Okay, Eric, these streams very educational. Well, thank you so much. I'm so happy that you learned something from me. Okay, let's look at audio. Audio USDT. Okay, so we had the 50 and the 61%. Was this today? No, 2 days ago. Wow. Okay, so either the 50 or 61% was levels where we did expect the market to pull back up to. We did that exactly. Okay, amazing, 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 guys. Take profit 1 is about to get hit at 0.270. So we're using the next Fibonacci. So we can potentially retest now 0.279 or 0.281 for a potential retest. If that's the case and we see the market continue, remember that now we also look at a previous support zone that we did break, okay? Market was going sideways for a while. You see how market was going sideways. We had the okay, so this way. Market pulled back up, retested at 50%. We pull back down, retested the previous resistance. Market dropped. We now broke the support. So this could be where we see the market retest, break support, turn it into resistance, and then a continuation of the drop. Take profit 1 could be 0.271. Take profit 2 0.265, and take profit 3 0.260. I'm no financial advisor. Something like this. Now, one thing that we also have to remember is that we are reaching, if we would break above 0.282 and see retest from below, that can definitely be us taking, you know, the stop loss get taken, because at that point we are inside the Fibonacci. I just want to have a quick retest, because if we break above, that can definitely be us, how all of this can be a fake out, okay? Because that is usually what happens when we see the market break a level. But it looks pretty good for us to drop, but always have that in mind that it can be fake outs too. That's why we want to see the market give us the quick retest and then see the continuation of the drop. Natalie, kind of cute, can't lie. Wow, thanks so much. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, let's see what else we're looking at. Oh, now Ergo. So we don't have to have anyone spamming the chat. You know? Ergo. I can't even. What is this? Oh, okay. Let's see. What do we have, guys? Well, this was a long time ago. This was a long time ago we were looking at this pair, and what did the market do? Even if this was hundreds of years ago, we looked at this pair, but one thing that happened was definitely the market pulled back up to this level at 5,1718. We pulled back up exactly to my level, and then we saw the drop. Who am I and who are you? Any idea why the market is so slow right now? Because we've had the momentum already, kind of, maybe. And, you know, sometimes the market is just really boring. Even if we had some momentum a while. But that usually happens before the market decides, or not decides, but before we see the market drop, okay? Chus, sorry joining late from US Nat, starting from the beginning. Yeah, you better. I'm just joking. Welcome to the stream, Chus. Okay, so when we look at EGRD, Ergo, okay, you can see how the market is right now retesting 3.4360. This is the 50% Fibonacci level. For real, the market is always too slow or too fast for me. But that's the thing, especially when it comes to cryptocurrencies, you know, it prepares itself and it slows down, and then you have the momentum, and then it's boring. And you know, I remember last week, I think it was last week. Oh my God, I've never seen I mean, I couldn't even give you videos. We did have the live streams, but I couldn't give you video because the market, you know, the market was just going sideways for like 4 days or so. And I was like, what is going on? It's so boring. Okay, so if I would sell the market when it comes to Ergo, I would want the market to have a break below the support trend line and potential retest at 3.1690, because if that's the case, then we're breaking market structure. This is the last high low that we have, but for us not to get faked out and see the market pull back up, you changed my life in ergo trade. EVS, well, the spamming was worth it, wasn't it? So yeah, first of all, I definitely would want the market to break and give me a lower low, and then I can use the Fibonacci again on the, with the one of the last higher lows that we have, depending on how volatile the market will be. But definitely, 3.1890 is definitely a level I can use with the next lower low if that's the case, right? But if the market begins to be a little bit more volatile, that's when I'm using the Fibonacci on other highs, right? Because everything depends on how volatile the market is. But when it comes to it, at the moment, I don't have any targets more than I want the market to break below 3.1570 for a break and a potential retest. I don't know how far the lower low will be, but we have to break below the level, okay? Oh, hello, Tuna. How are you? Oh, okay, darling. We're going back up to the level when it comes to... Patience is definitely key, guys. We can go to Bitcoin and Ethereum again. Let's go up. Matic. We can do a little recap on the other coins too. So I'm waiting for the market to reach potentially, what was it? Oh yeah, so I have a sell limit order on BTC at 19,877. So I expect the market to pull back up, activate my trade. My stop loss is at 20,155. So around this level. And my take profit is at 19,210. Okay. So I can have it 19,100. I want to learn full knowledge of yours, how you break down things. Well, but then you're at the right place. You go into my YouTube channel and then you look at crypto trading for beginners. Then you're practicing these videos, market structure part 1, part 2. Market structure is definitely key when it comes to me breaking down everything. And then I obviously use trend lines. I use support resistance zones. I use supply demand zones. Fibonacci, definitely. But then obviously it's inside my brain. Like I've done this so many times, it just is so natural right now. But then you have back test with me. This is where I combine everything together, and this is where I show you how I break down everything. Now everything comes with practice, and I want to remind you that this is how I use the tools. So if you've heard someone else say you're doing it in another way, well, then you just have to practice it, okay? You just have to practice it yourself. How I do it is only based on my own back testing and how I'm comfortable with the charts. So everyone use everything differently. So have that in mind. Because some people can come in and be like, why are you doing it like this? Or this is not how you do it. But this is how I do it. I can't tell you what to do more than show you what works for me. And sometimes, I go back test myself and then I change some things, because you always learn more. If you have to be real with us, you think videos like this would teach new traders enough to handle the market? My videos will definitely help you. I will not tell you it will help you 100%, because you have to. When it comes to reading the charts, you have to practice it. You have to practice it. I can tell you every detail of what I am doing and you will still not understand what I'm doing, because everything at the end of the day comes to how experienced you are with the charts. Do you know how many times I've been looking at the charts doing wrong and just put a trade on, see it go to stop loss, and I've learned what I did wrong multiple times. Like, you have to sit, they always say 10,000 hours minimum. You have to sit and practice it. So just because you're looking at my videos, that doesn't mean that you're gonna be 100%. This is how I do it based on my own experience. But they're definitely, if you go into market structure, like market structure videos, it definitely will help you along the way. I'm telling you. Then you just might find someone else that's super good. You have Andy, for example, also with Bitcoinsensus. He's also very good, but we're doing different things. You can go into his videos and you'll see exactly what he is doing. He's using more volume. He's using more... he's very good at, you know, indicators too. He does this more than I do when the indicators, volume, etc. I don't use that. So you have so many different people that use charts in different ways. So what I show you is only what I do. And if it works for you, it works for you. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You know? But I can only share with you what I do, nothing more than that. No sound? Can't you hear me? Trading is riding a bike. If you've never ridden a bike, you can watch as many videos on YouTube, but you'll never learn how to... Yeah, exactly. By the way, I made some money by applying your methods and then forgot to close my position. I liquidated. But Fib really works. Yeah, it really does. It really does. And then see, I agree. I first practiced without real money, then I lost like 1k with real money, and now I'm profitable trader. Bitcoinsensus definitely helped me though. Yeah, and you know, it's a big difference. You know, it's a big difference to trade with real money and demo accounts, because you know, when you have real money, you just, I mean, it's good to apply when you're practicing how to do certain things, but when real money comes into hand, it's different, completely different game at that point. So don't fool yourself with if you start off with a demo account, trust me when I say it will be differently when you have the real account, because then you involve your emotions in a different way when you have real money going on. Okay, we'll look at rows and DXY, and then we're gonna end the live stream, because now my brain is getting saucy. My brain is getting saucy right now looking at the charts this long. We've been going on for a while. We are almost at 2 hours on this live stream. That is great. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for being on this live stream for so long. Emotions trading, yeah. Okay, so overall, when it comes to rows, I do believe that we can pull back down long run now to 0.00903. Ta-da. Oh, wow. Thanks for that, too. You're welcome. I'm not sure what I said, but that's great. No, I don't like how the market is looking right now in rows, to be honest. The daily, we've been going sideways for a couple of days. Market is going sideways right here, you can see. For streaming 2 hours. Oh, you see, I'm so tired now. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I should not. Yeah. You know, you should never drink and drive, and you should never trade and sit at a computer too long. Emotions plus trading, homeless. Oh my god. Yeah, it's not good. Please, guys, always trade with risk management. That is definitely key. But when it comes to roles, if you're following market structure on the 4-hourly chart, we can reach 0.6322 or 6,370 for a pullback. If that is the case, well, then take profit one is at the support again at 6,036. take profit 2 at 5,835, and take profit 3 as 5,657. I'm no financial advisor, but this is potentially what can happen when it comes to this little baby, you know. Small trade, but hey. Okay, someone wanted me to look at DXY. Yeah, so did this happen? Oh yeah, this has happened today. So we came back down now while we were talking. We can still pull back down to 109.528 or potentially 109.460. Nat, how to get off the emotions from trade without how to get rid of your emotions? Well, you have to understand your emotions to take them away, or to not let them control you. You have to understand yourself, and you have to have a strategy first of all. When you have a strategy, you take away so many emotions. You don't even have the emotions, because you're like, hey, I follow the strategy. And the same thing. Okay, so right now I have the sell limit order on Ethereum that soon will be no, we have already, yeah, so my Ethereum trade is already active. So Ethereum trade, we talked about this on the beginning of the stream, and I told you patience is key, guys. So we did wait for the market, we saw the drop, and right now we are retesting not only the 50% but also the support trend line that we did retest. Okay, and we're going up now. Look at DXY, let's see how it looks. Yeah, so we can pull back down a little bit more. Why do I have this level? Yeah, this is take profit 1 based on another Fibonacci. Yeah, we just have to wait and see. If we only see the market retest, it's 110.530 or 109.458 for a potential retest. When it comes to Bitcoin, I have my sell limit order at... Why is this happening to me? This is so annoying. Oh. TradingView it doesn't want to do this anymore. I want to go now when we are active. The market just came up to our level. Do I have to sit here for 2 hours more? God damn it! 3 hits to the low and up. But over midnight, even harder to find the keys on the board. Okay, we have some momentum. And BTC, I have the sell limit order at 19,877. Time for a 4-hour stream. Oh no. Oh, Jesus Lord. Giving that warming power so the live can get a little bit longer. Let's look at US30. US30 went crazy. Yeah, US30 went to stop loss this morning. Stop loss. Take Fibonacci from high to low. No wonder the market needs to pull back up to potentially 31,570. First of all, let's see how this looks. No, do you think that can happen? Nasdaq. We can potentially reach 12,108 and 12,128. Yeah. Did someone say BTC. Mama brain explode. And yeah, I'm not gonna do a 4-hour list stream. Oh yeah, we're going up. Ethereum, we are a little bit, I'm a little bit in drawdown when it comes to Ethereum though. But I have the stop loss above the high. And BTC is not crossing uptrend. Okay, so we are active. So okay, so both trades are active at the moment. Both trades are active at the moment. Bitcoin came exactly to this level. Let's see what this baby gonna do. Stop loss suggesting 500 pips. Watch your so well, everything depends. Everything depends. But when it comes to US 30, I always have minimum 500 pips. Thank you, SG and Natalie, for the time you give us all. We appreciate it and learning so much. Your problem, Air Lake. You're welcome. You're welcome. I promise you guys. I mean, my brain is a little bit tired right now. I'm not gonna joke. I'm not gonna lie. A little bit in drawdown when it comes to Ethereum, but that's no problem. Look at Rose. We are about to reach that level. EGR. Okay, we didn't have anything. Yeah. Okay. So when it comes to audio, it's active too. ETC, we're active too. Depends on if you have the take profit on 60 or 50%. I'm no financial advisor, right? But everything depends. But I always have the stop loss above the high. And then near, yeah, we're about to reach on near 4.330. Nat, post your BTC address. Oh, trust me, I will. Okay, so when it comes to Gala too, so depending on if we have it on the 50 or 61.8%, but if there's a sell limit order, everything is active at the moment. Everything is active. Same thing here. If we either take it from the 61.8% or if we take it from the 50%. Look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is about to reach that level that we spoke about, and it's on the 50% now. The 60%. Yeah, I'm not gonna say all those numbers. And yeah, so now it looks like when it comes to CRV, this could definitely be where we see the market pull back up to 1.130. Oh my God! Look at this, guys. So we did have Luna C. What did happen? What did happen? So but this is where we can see the market pull back down to potentially 269,888 or potentially 265,721 for a potential retest continuation. But this is what I see. EOS, we are retesting Fibonacci levels here too right now at the moment. KASTA depends on the 50 or 61%. Matic is going up. Yeah, we're reaching, yeah, this is what I talk about. You see, we are pulling back up to 0.8610. I told you guys, this is why if the market, if a sell up, so we were looking at this red candlestick. We need to wait for the market to break and give us the retest. We have to do that. Otherwise, this will happen. You see why patience is so important when it comes to it? It's really important, guys. A little bit in drawdown when it comes to Bitcoin and Ethereum. But if everything is traded with risk management, everything is okay. Look at BNB too. So we are right now at the levels where we expected us to pull to. Okay, so very important levels now that we're looking at. FTM, same thing here. We see the market now. We didn't look at this today, I think, but this is a very strong level at 0.2700 and 0.2716. Look at dot. We didn't have a setup since this morning because we came to the support. Atom, same thing here. So we're at the support again. No, the Fibonacci level at the 60 and 51%. Solana. Let's look at Solana. Yeah, same thing here. We are right now retesting the 50 and 61% now. 31.01 and 31.13. GMT. Okay, so GMT came back down to the Fibonacci levels, retested it perfectly. I don't remember exactly what I said on this pair, but we never broke the support trend line, okay? No, the Fibonacci. We never broke it. One, I don't remember. Okay, let's go back to BTC and see what's happening at the moment. Okay, so we are exactly retesting the Fibonacci levels right now. If we would see the market being, okay, we can go to DXY. So we have levels at 109.527 and 109.462. But we're also above the Fibonacci take profit 1 that we did have since before. Why did I have it? Oh yeah. So yeah, everything. Okay, thank you so much, Taras. Thank you. Have a great day. So yeah, well, usually we don't have, the market has already filled the gap that we did talk about this morning too. So, I mean, if we have a bigger drop, well, then we can back down to $109.300. Ethereum, we're a little bit in drawdown, but we are also retesting the 50% again at 1,567. And yeah, okay, baby. Okay, darling. I'm gonna take this one away, and we'll use this one. So yeah, yeah. Already talk about 2 hours, yeah. Okay, so we are retesting another Fibonacci levels right now at 1,564. If we break below 1,556 and we close below, that is definitely a sign that we're pulling back down again. Gonna take this Fibonacci away. No, vänta. Hello, Benny. How are you? Okay, so can you see how the market is retesting the Bitcoin is retesting the level perfectly where I had my sell limit order, slightly below the entry right now, and we're going down. DXY. DXY. And then quiet. Ethereum. Yeah, so we did retest 1,564. Oh my god, we've been going on for so long today. Ah! But it's pretty cool because we were actually, so when we were waiting for the market to reverse, we were around here. Okay, so this is where we were. We saw the market drop and I was like, oh no, did we miss the trade? But then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna hold my position on for, I'm gonna hold my position because I need to trust my analysis. And Bitcoin came exactly, this is where I had my sell limit order at, okay? I had my sell limit order at 19,877. This was perfect retest, activate my activated. So you heard of Godcoin Nat? Yeah, it's called Nat against USDT. It's my coin. Let's see if we're going down. I will be able to say I was here for the legendary 4-hourly stream. Let's go, Nat. Love the stream today. You should have good you should have a good rest after. Yes, you go, girl. You need some English tea or wake you up. Ha ha ha. Oh, we have crypto here. Yes. Nat, do you trade daily? Yes, I do. I do this every single day. I don't trade daily, but everything depends on what the market is giving me, obviously. But I do it 24/7. Feels like, at least I'm looking every single day at the charts. We are still in, I'm because it's, I know I'm no financial advisor, but we are right now, and it never does this, but I love the live trading. Oh, you mean live trading? We need more likes. Yes, guys, if you haven't liked the live stream, you should. Oh, we have almost 200 likes on this live stream. If you haven't already liked the live stream, you should definitely do that. Oh, finally we have more likes than people. Yeah, are you financial? No, I'm not. I am no financial advisor. Okay, so Bitcoin is right now, I'm focusing so much on Bitcoin right now because we are below the level, okay? We are below the level. On the 4-hourly candlestick, let's see how the 3-hourly looks. The 2-hourly looks. We have the doji, we have the support trend line. But you know, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, the market does not look good at all. It's like, I mean, we have the break of structure, obviously, and we have the lower high. But just looking at this overview, like if we just, you know, zoom in and see what we're looking at, is a really ugly chart. I'm not gonna lie, this is like one of the ugliest things I've ever seen. We are trading inside a sideways market, okay? We're trading inside a sideways market. It's big difference when we have the market in a downtrend. You see like crazy drops, right? But we did retest the Fibonacci very, very well. And we are right now slightly above the entry when it comes to Ethereum. So Bitcoin in profit, Ethereum slightly above entry, but you know, if Bitcoin go down, Ethereum will go down. Yeah, look at this, guys. When we were looking at Nasdaq too, we came up exactly, retested 12,108, and market is now going down. We retested it perfectly. Previous support just might turn into new resistance. It's so tight. Like this is the thing too, you know, when we're looking at a chart and the candlestick is so tight with each other, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Okay, we can do a recap of what we did look at before. Okay, so Rose is about to go up to take profit. No, sorry, entry 6,323. Ergo, remember why I told you we need to have the break? Thank you so much, Rick. Welcome. We need to see the break of it. Haven't happened yet. Okay, audio active 2. Market came up exactly and retested Fibonacci level so perfectly. You see the 61.8%. ETC, the same thing, got active during this live stream. You see how perfectly the market came back up. We are slightly, depends on if I took it from the 61.8 or the 50%, okay? So now I know the meaning of patient. Yes, now you know. Guys, if you want to be part of my Natalie Bitcoinsensus community, I have one community. Is a lovely community. You have the link right now in the live chat, so you are definitely more than welcome to be there, where we talk about cryptocurrencies, where we just you know what it is about. But as long as you're just polite. Who want more 2 hours? I don't. Oh shit. Same thing with Gala. The market is right now, we came back up, retested the 50 and 61% profit. AVAX, the same thing. Dogecoin, the same thing. CRV, we are slightly above the 61.8%. Luna C, we're going down to the targets where I told you we can potentially see the market pull back down to a retest for the next potential pullback to the upside. EOS, we are right now retesting the 50% at 1.400 and 4. How many pairs do you trade, Nat? I trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then I trade Nasdaq and US32. Okay, CH SATA also active. Matic, we came, okay. Matic came up exactly to the 50% at 0.8616. BNB, came up exactly, retested the 50%. Now this is amazing, guys. We almost came back up, retested the 61.8% at on FTM2 2698. And DOT, we didn't go through these ones. No, we didn't. Atom, Solana. So Solana did retest at 31.1 and 31.10, the way we talked about too. So yeah, everything is retesting the levels very good. GMT, we came back down, retested the higher low level. I'm not sure. I don't remember what I said when it came to GMT. Okay, look at Bitcoin. We're going down. Hopefully. Ethereum, we're also about to go down. We are about to go. Hopefully. No financial advisor, but we can definitely. Are you tired? Because my brain is saucy. My brain is so saucy. And well, but we all saw. Thanks for all the great info. I learned a lot from you and Andy. That is great, Wise. That is great. Hello, Fearless. CD Nat. I have a question about your Fibonacci because it's different with my Fib. Do just use the 61.8 and the 50%, because the Fibonacci, I've said it before. Will it be possible to watch this live later? Yes, Bart, of course. I will save it and then you go to it. Now take a rest. Yeah, so you know what, guys? We are going... Okay, Ethereum is also going down now. So if Bitcoin is going down, we're going down. I was teasing. We don't need to be here for 2 more hours. No. Okay, but let us just look at this drop that we're having from the perfect entry that we did have from 19,877. High five, guys. We all did this. Everyone that's okay, guys, please write 111 in the chat if you did enjoy or do enjoy this live stream. Wow, finally looking drop together. Well, we've been going strong. We've been going strong for a lot of hours now. We've been going on this live stream for 2 hours and 14 minutes. Oh my Jesus Lord, guys. And what did we have? We had so much patience with this, and we saw the market came exactly up to my... We had one Natalie here. Hello, Natalie. How are ya? This is amazing, guys. I just want to sit here and look at the charts going down. Oh my God, it feels so fun. Yes, it is. Oh my Jeebus Lord. I mean, this was an amazing trade that we did take. And Ethereum is right now going down too. You are a beast, girl. YouTube community is great. Natalie Abrahams, beautiful name. I have HNATH, but you are so beautiful. Queen of the charts. Look at this, guys. You can also do this if you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time. You should definitely do that, okay? But because we will have another live stream tomorrow, and then we will just do a recap of everything that we're doing. But if you want to be more and do things that I do, I actually give it to you guys. But then obviously practice makes perfect, right? It's my first day in your channel. Seems quite one of the best ones. Well, Khalil, welcome to the channel. Welcome. I have crypto trading for beginners, market structure part 1, part 2. Now, when it comes to market structure, it's definitely key one for us to understand. When it comes to market structure, remember this is what actually trading is about. It's about market structure. Market goes up, market goes down, market goes sideways. That is market structure. Then you have market structure on the higher time frames, and then we break everything down to the lower time frame. So why I can calculate all of these things is because I am really good at reading market structure. That is definitely one of my best things that I'm good at. That's why I promote price action so much, because if you understand price action, guys, you see I don't use any indicators whatsoever. I'm not saying indicators are bad. I'm just saying that if you don't need them, because when we're taking a trade, we have to have certain confirmations. If you're good at it, that's one thing. But if you have market structure with price action, etc., Fibonacci, supports, whatever you have, but then if you have 5 indicators, now all of these 5 have to combine with market structure. And if one indicator doesn't align with the trade, then you're gonna feel like, oh no, I can't take this trade. Okay, so that's why I promote. Are still selling Ethereum? Yes, we are in profit, darling. We are slightly below the entry. Better to be naked on the chart. Yeah, so naked trading, that is definitely one of the best things to do. For myself, this is what I'm good at. Then I'm not saying that other indicators not good. This is what I do. Look at what I do and then just combine it with your own charts, because everything that I've been taking from my own experience, obviously, but then just I had one mentor here, I had another mentor there, and then I just combine it and then I change it a little bit, because you know, when you practice more you see other things. Okay, Solana is having issues. Where is Solana? No, Solana is doing great. We came up exactly, retested $31. We spoke about this one, Torben. Torben, what are you doing? What are you doing that we're not doing? You should do this 24/7. Yeah. Yeah, everything is going, hopefully going down. But all of the coins that we did take, or I took, we're in a little bit of in profit or slightly around the entry. Can you see we almost came back down and retested the levels on Luna C, but it can definitely happen that we drop a little bit more. So everything is in profit. Why do you only look at the 50-minute chart? Oh, NWO, we have already done everything. We've been going through the higher time frames, lower, so we already know. Now we're looking at the lower time frames because the chart is active. So we already have everything that we need. Oh, look at BNB. Look at the 50%, how perfectly we came up, retested it. It's amazing, guys. This is amazing. Okay. Now we just have to wait for the market to continue to drop. If you want to be part of my community, Natalie Bitcoinsensus, you are more than welcome. You have the link in the description right now, in the live chat right now. Euro USD. Where is Euro? There it is. Oh yeah, when it comes to Euro USD, I expected it to come back up to 99,564. Okay, but that's what I see. You know what, guys? I'm gonna end this live stream right now. I mean, just let the market do whatever. So we are slightly below on the entry when it comes to Ethereum. BTC, we're pretty far away from the entry. So remember, when the market moves, always move stop loss to entry. So if we, you know, because you can see the market be very crazy, okay? Everything is potentially going okay. We're dropping even more. So yeah, just wait for the market to continue to drop, and tomorrow, in tomorrow's live stream, we'll see how the market is behaving. Okay, Solana did exactly what we expected it to do. Everything is going down, hopefully. Now, you know, don't want to say too much, and then, you know, but we're going down. We are going down. Now we are going down, guys. Yeah, so don't forget that you can also receive the best bonus available on Bybit right now, up to $4,450 by using the link in the description down below the video. This is also how you're supporting me, so I am always available for you guys and do this together with you. Okay, not one question: when is the right time to move stop loss to entry? So for example, when it comes to when the market creates the low, so when, for example, I would wait for Ethereum at least break down below 1,530, sorry, because we need to let the market have the space. Because if the market pulls back down now and give us the low and the lower high, I would want the market to give me the first lower high, and then I'm moving the stop loss. Because otherwise it's so easy for us to pull back up to the entry again and then see the drop, and then you just get, you know, the entry get taken and stop loss get taken, and then, you know, the market moves down and you just miss the whole trade. So for Bitcoin, for example, I would move my stop loss if we pull back down to 19,640, around that level. Very late joined the live stream. Keep the good job. I watched the stream from beginning again. Yes, you should definitely do that. So the good thing in the beginning of the stream, I showed you exactly why I put the sell limit orders, and then at the end of the live stream we saw the market retest. During the live stream we had the market activated the sell limit order. Oh, Nadia, you're welcome. Everything is going down. Everything is going down. Now, baby, this looks really good. Well, hopefully. I'm late in some Starbucks somewhere in the road. Oh my god. Ronnie, hello, how are ya? Nat, you didn't finish. Oh yeah, about the Fibonacci, I don't share my Fibonacci settings because I bought it from one of my mentors, so I'm not giving that out for free. So that's the reason why I don't give it out. So nothing personally, I just want to respect my previous beautiful mentor who did his hard work to do it. So, you know, I don't give out things for free when it's not my things, okay? Because that was actually one of the things that I bought from him. He showed me exactly how to use the Fibonacci and the you know. So I respect people very much when it comes to this. Extremely. I respect people extremely much. Even if he doesn't know about it, I have to do it, because I would want to respect myself, okay? Now, I'm gonna end this live stream. Hello, Mr. NC, how are ya? I'm gonna end this live stream. Thank you everyone that was on this live stream for this long. And SG, oh my God, thank you so much. Okay, we see each other in the live chat. Sorry, we see each other in the chat, community chat. That's the only one that I do have. Have a great day. We see each other in a couple of hours. In a couple of hours, yes, we've had a long live stream. We've had a long live stream. Thank you, everyone. I respect it. Thanks for everything. You're welcome. Don't leave us at least 1 year on YouTube. I've already been in 1 year on YouTube, darling. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Remember, go back test. You're welcome, Natalie. If you want to, guys. Thank you, Aisha. Thank you, Nadia. Write 111 in the chat if you did enjoy this live stream together with me. This is how we grow. Nat, you have 14.1k subscribers. Yes, I know. We're almost at 14.2 now. We're almost at 14.2. K Kumona something. Thank you everyone. Do we see each other in tomorrow's morning live stream? Hopefully we'll see each other, okay? Have a great day. I will go and continue with my juice fast that I have and continue to be hungry. But it does work, so I'm happy about that. Why backtest without proper settings? What do you mean, Chad? I'm not sure what you're talking about. Have a great day, everyone. We see each other. Mwah. Thank you, SG, for all the help.